Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, children. Today is a wonderful day because today is the last day of this week. It's Friday and we are finishing almost our week. Well, listen, today is Friday, June the 5th, 2020. Yesterday was Thursday. And tomorrow will be Saturday. Very good. Who can tell me what day is today in the English school? Is day 1? Is day 2? Is day 3? 4, 5, 6, or 7? Let's see if you can guess. Today in the English school is day 2. Excellent. Now, let's continue. Who can tell me what's the weather like? Is today a sunny day? Or maybe is it a cloudy day? Rainy, windy, or foggy? As this one. Look, is it a foggy day? Oops. Oops. Well, I don't know if it is a foggy day near your homes. Listen. Which classes are we going to have today? Well, I'm going to move to the other side. Ta-da! I am here. Look, very good. Today, we are going to have a Spanish class, values, snack, language, unit, lunch, and fine motor skills. Remember that today we are going to have values, and values will be a virtual class. After the virtual class, you will have time to go and wash your hands, go to the toilet, and have a delicious snack. After the snack, you will be ready for language. And after language, we will have unit of inquiry. After this class of unit, you will have again enough time for going to the toilet and washing your hands, okay? After washing your hands, you are going to have your lunch. Remember that you must have healthy meals. I don't want to see you eating bad things, okay? Good. After that, we're going to have the last fine motor skills activity. I think, no, it's not the last. I don't remember, but well, anyway, you are going to have fine motor skills. Good. Now, as you saw the agenda for today, let's start with Miss Vale. Tongue twister. Okay, very good. Bye, 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 bye.